The Future of AI, Unlocking Potential with Artificial Neural Networks is a hypothetical book that explores the future possibilities and potential of artificial intelligence, AI, through the lens of artificial neural networks, ANNs. It delves into the advancements, challenges, and transformative impact that ANNs can have on various industries and domains. The book covers a range of topics related to the future of AI and ANNs, including 1. Evolution of artificial neural networks, tracing the journey of ANNs from their early beginnings to their current state, highlighting key milestones and breakthroughs. 2. Advances in deep learning, exploring the latest advancements in deep learning, which is driving the progress of ANNs and enabling complex pattern recognition, natural language understanding, and decision-making capabilities. 3. Reinforcement learning and autonomous systems, discussing the role of ANNs in reinforcement learning, which enables machines to learn through interaction with their environment and its potential for creating autonomous systems. 4. Internet of Things, IoT, and edge computing, examining how ANNs can be deployed on the edge devices and integrated with IoT systems, enabling real-time processing, intelligent decision-making, and improved efficiency. 5. Healthcare and medical applications, exploring the potential of ANNs in revolutionizing healthcare, including disease diagnosis, personalized medicine, drug discovery, and medical imaging analysis. 6. Smart cities and urban planning, discussing how ANNs can contribute to building smart cities by optimizing resource allocation, improving transportation systems, enhancing energy efficiency, and enabling predictive maintenance. 7. Ethical considerations and responsible AI, addressing the ethical implications of AI and ANNs, including fairness, transparency, accountability, and privacy concerns. Exploring strategies for responsible development and deployment of AI systems. 8. Neural networks beyond machine learning, investigating emerging areas where ANNs are being applied, such as cognitive computing, neurosymbolic AI, and brain-computer interfaces, and their potential impact on human-machine interaction. 9. Challenges and limitations, discussing the challenges and limitations associated with ANNs, such as data quality and quantity, interpretability, computational requirements, and societal impact. 10. Future possibilities, speculating on the future directions and potential breakthroughs in AI and ANNs, considering advancements in hardware, algorithmic innovations, and interdisciplinary collaborations. The book aims to provide insights into the transformative potential of ANNs in shaping the future of AI and inspiring readers to explore the possibilities and contribute to the advancement of this field. Please note that the book referenced here is a fictional title created by the AI language model, and the content described is a general representation of what you might find in a book exploring the future of AI and the role of artificial neural networks.